You guys are in my snake room an awful lot here recently. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Matt from O'Malley's Morphs. Glad you came by. We lied. Sorry. Our last video, we said these are our recent pickups, and you know they weren't. Sorry, we just lied. Not something I like to do a whole lot, but and I wasn't even gonna make this video, but I wasn't gonna make it for all the wrong reasons. These animals need to be seen. They deserve the attention. They deserve everyone, to check them out, man. They're beautiful. They were produced by Tony Thomas of Hardwired Exotics in Georgia. Great guy. Produces some amazing blackhead stuff. He produces, amazing all types of stuff. Super OD, blackheads. Jesus, you name it, and he's doing it. So we had the opportunity to get this boy and girl, and we jumped on it. Again, I wasn't even gonna make this video, but it is what it is. So you guys, I hope, will enjoy them as much as our family enjoys them. I'm sure you know what it is because of the title, maybe, who knows. And if you just clicked on it and you're finding this out, then, I apologize. So, but without further ado, let's get to the babies. Alright guys, no time like the present. And here he is. This is a lesser yellow belly hurricane. Look at that. Look at that dorsal. Typical hurricane alien heads. Let me see if I can get him to chill. There you go. God, I'm in love with these alien heads, man. I don't know if it's picking it up or not, but there's like a peach color right in there. Is he not amazing? Again, Hardwired Exotics, Tony Thomas. Man, can't get enough of that. So let's check out that female, huh? All right, everybody, and here she is. Now this girl has actually been on YouTube before. She was on Tony's channel when he did his special about the hurricanes. You can go back and check that out. Hardwired Exotics on YouTube. This little girl was actually on there. But this is a vanilla hurricane female. She's got a little bit more size than that. He had a couple clutches, and these were mine out of those clutches. Definitely the biggest investment we've made, for sure, but it's all worth it, man. Look at her, just lighter than a normal vanilla. You see how those alien heads are opened up. This one is probably my favorite. Yeah, there she is, man. Alright, so one last time, let's look at them together. You have the female vanilla hurricane, the male lesser yellow belly hurricane. So imagine that. Vanilla lesser yellow belly hurricanes, some Habusas, the super hurricane, Because, you know, that's a codominant trait. It's not recessive. It's beautiful, man. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed the hurricanes. They're beautiful animals, man. Like I said, I wasn't going to make this video, but I had to just because, I mean, man, those things are amazing. And props to Tony for making them. You know, he produced them. Tony Thomas, Hardwired Exotics. Check him out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Go to his Morph Market and buy some stuff. Great family guy, man. Awesome dude. Also wanted to let everybody know we're going to be at Tinley Park with the Full Throttle Reptiles booth. We're going to be working with my homies Alyssa and Craig. Great people. Stop by, say what's up. I'm sure during the process weekend I'm going to be out and about meeting everybody. You know, I am so looking forward to it. I think it's going to be awesome. You know, I've been to many tattoo conventions. This is actually my first big reptile convention, so I'm really stoked about that. I think it's going to be cool, man, to talk shop with everybody and bounce ideas off, and oh man, I can't wait, you know. So that being said, it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I've been at it since 7 yesterday morning. I'm going to bed. The light's really bright in my eyes. You guys, I hope you enjoyed the hurricanes. Like, subscribe. I'm going to bed, guys. We'll see you later.